Hey there, I'm Raven, and this is my first YouTube video. Hi YouTube. So you probably found me through my Aunt Melissa. She's been doing YouTube for a really long time, and when I was a teenager, I used to love to watch her videos with my cousin Caden. Well, he was in the videos, and you know, my Aunt Melissa just totally gets me, you know, and I think I get her. And so anyway, I thought, you know, during this time where we're all in the house, I don't know, I thought I would take a stab at YouTube, right? You know, how bad could I be? I can't be worse than Mommy Gracie's show, right? And this is why I'm going to say they really got me. It's because they also really got me. Lots of Monster High dolls. So, my parents thought a couple of things. The first thing they thought was that I was too old to play with dolls, because I was already heading into my teenage years when these came out. Like, if you like Monster High, then, you know, you probably, I don't know, I think a lot of people who like Monster High have also experienced a lot of adversity or lack of acceptance. Okay, so she's 15 days old. Her parents are Frankenstein and his bride. Oh, that's pretty. Frankenstein and his bride. Her friends say she has the perfect figure for fashion. Her freaky flaw: sometimes her stitches come loose at the worst possible moments. Her pet is Was It. Oh my god, love Was It. I have a stuffed Was It. Favorite activity: since I'm only 15 days old, I don't really have a favorite yet. I want to experience everything before I choose. Least favorite school subject: swimming, right? Because she's electric, she tends to short out. Favorite subject: history. It helps her to understand where her friends are coming from. I'm a huge history buff. And living up here, there's just so much history in New Jersey, and where we live in New Jersey, it's just like there were so many battles and whatever. It's chilly in here. It's like that time of year where I don't want to put the heat back on, because I feel like, no, I'm done, right? But it's chilly. Favorite color: black and white stripes. I could totally get with that. Favorite food: because I'm only 15 days old, everything I've tried so far is the best thing ever. I really love her attitude. And her BFFs are Draculaura and Claudine Wolf. I have a soft spot in my heart for Draculaura. Absolutely love her. Alright, so we're going to do this. My microphone is very sensitive, so I'm going to be careful. Also, my nails I just did, so I'm going to be super careful. So how's your apocalypse going? Okay. You know, I thought the apocalypse would be more exciting. Just saying. I didn't see myself sitting in the house doing readings by Skype for people. I'm eating canned soup. The canned soup, yeah, I did sort of see that coming. I think I did see canned soup as a possibility in my apocalypse. But I thought we'd be able to leave the house, you know? I mean, even in a quiet place, they leave the house. Have you seen that movie yet? There's supposed to be a second one, but it's delayed because of the apocalypse. Let's all just stop and think about how funny that is. Just saying. So these are the instructions for how to put a doll on a stand, in case you could not guess. Look, she's even got a ponytail in the picture. Okay. So here's the stuff in the box. Here's the diary. Ooh. It looks like this was wet at some point. No, I don't smell anything. Okay. Frankie Stein's diary. I wonder why it's like, looks like, did anybody see the Canadian Prime Minister speaking moistly? This whole apocalypse has just brought a whole bunch of fun things to light, hasn't it? Okay. So this is her diary. I mean, it feels weird reading her diary. Here's her brush. I could use it. My hair is just, I'm having one of those days where, like, one side of my hair is cooperating, and oh, maybe I should just use Monster High brush, and one side is not. Also, pro tip, don't cut your own bangs. Don't try it. Do not try it. Not a good idea. Not good. All right, so let's get Was It out of the box right here. He's so cute. So Was It is like, was it? What's it? He's what's it? He's what is it? Who knows? He's a bunch a bunch of different animals put together. He's so cute. I have always loved him, and I've always had just like a, I don't know, I've always had an affinity for him. But I have always loved Frankenstein. So, have you read Frankenstein? The actual book? I think it's available for free. I think it's well, that's what I should do. I should sit down every night and read a chapter of Frankenstein to everybody. I think it's in the public domain, but whatever. It's a great book. It's a great book. It's a great book about tolerance and love and pain and loss and just a whole bunch of things. It's not what you think it is. And Frankenstein isn't the monster. The man who made him is. Oh, I'm gonna love to have this person in real life. Look at that. And this is when all the Monster High stuff was really cool. Like, I honestly, luckily, I was still small enough in high school that I could wear like a large or an extra large Monster High t-shirt. All right. Yeah, here we go. Oh, I'm cutting her free right now. They made this look so easy on their channel. How did they do that? Here she is. There's a stand in the box too. I guess I should take that out. Here we go. I forgot she had a silver stand. Oh yeah. So were you a Monster High kid when you were a kid? Or were you just like a Barbie, everything pink person? Nothing wrong with that. she had a silver stand, remember? There's absolutely nothing wrong with liking Barbie, you know. There's the box with all the stuff in it. I just love all the artwork that used to be in the boxes. They put so much time into it, you know? I always wanted to, like, in high school, I wanted to get a skullette tattoo. I mean, my parents would have killed me. Would have killed me. But I really wanted one. Do you have any tattoos? Put it in the comments down below. Yeah. Wait. That was me in high school. Goth girl. Yeah. Alright, so here is Frankie Stein. Look at her. This is Frankie Stein. Isn't she pretty? She's so pretty. I love her face. I love the Monster High faces. They had the best faces. Look at that. Just look at that lip and those eyes. I still don't understand why there's just a stitch right here, though. Like, what did they stitch on to her face right there? These earrings maybe could have been something else. But then look, this is the thing. Oh yeah, her hair is very jelly. Look, this is the thing everybody loves. She's got little silver don't look at me, camera. She's got little silver bolts, neck bolts, see? And then her little tie. And I always thought it was kind of interesting that she's wearing what almost looks like a Catholic schoolgirl uniform, or a private school uniform, like, you know, if she lived in Great Britain. But it definitely, in America, this definitely reads like a Catholic school uniform, but with, you know, with edge. And then she's got tulle, like, she's got some netting over here. And of course, she's just got random stitches, which, again, the random stitches on Frankie kind of never made sense. I don't know. And then her shoes. I don't know. Some people say Claudine had the best shoes. I say Frankie. And Dawn of the Dance Frankie, best Frankie. Right? I don't know. What do you think? Comment down below which one was your favorite Frankie. And then, of course, these dolls were super articulated. I mean, the hands, the elbows, the shoulders. I don't know how you're supposed to show this. And the knees. These are pretty good. And then, yeah, I remember there used to be a problem with the hips. I remember Aunt Melissa and Kaden complaining about that. Her hair feels a little oily. So I guess that's the glue, but it's not like chunky or anything, right? There we go. Yeah, her hair is pretty good. It's not bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Well, she's pretty. I think I would have just liked it if these weren't blue. Maybe these could have been black or, I don't know, something else. Were they always blue? Were they really? I don't remember them being blue. I'm gonna have to go look at my other Frankie. I honestly don't remember. So this was my first doll unboxing. It's my first. It's very easy, apparently. You take the doll out of the box, and then you talk about it. And somehow, my aunt and my cousin got famous doing that. Okay. Yeah, the stand is, one of those. Yeah. Those old stands were, not always the best. So, you know, comment down below. Let me know if you would like to see more doll unboxings, and maybe some goth dolls. You You know, maybe some Living Dead dolls. You know, Once Upon a Zombie. Oh, I loved Once Upon a Zombie. That was another good line, and that just didn't happen. And don't laugh at me. You're not allowed to laugh at me, okay? Don't laugh. Do not laugh at me. The hair durables, boys. The hair dudables. I make my Aunt Melissa give them all to me. They are so freaking cute. I can't stand it. They are adorable. Adorable. I don't know why. I just love them. So, okay, so that was fun. So comment and stuff, and subscribe, and hit the bell, and all that kind of good stuff. And we will, I guess we'll see you again. Right? Okay. Thank you for watching.